Hello guys, your NPTEL guide is back. In this video, I am going to describe you the importance of assignments for the NPTEL exams because your final exam score will contain 25% of marks from these assignments. So watch this video very carefully until the end. So let's start. If you are worried about the assignments and you want the solution of assignments for which course you have enrolled, I will provide their solutions weekly. So comment down the name of the course for the assignment solutions. I will provide their solutions weekly. Let's come to the video. I hope that you have already registered for the NPTEL exam. If you don't, you can check out how to register for this exam from this I button, and link is already given in the description. You can check it from there also. So let's talk about the assignments. When the course will start, per week assignment is assigned as per duration of the course. That means every week one assignment is assigned to you. Every assignment contains 100 marks, which will contain questions related to the videos provided by the course coordinator for that week. You can solve this assignment whenever you want and number of times until its deadline. You have 1 week of duration to solve this assignment. Pattern of this assignment will be MCQ or MSQ type of questions. Difficulty level of these questions will be very low, so you can solve them very easily. You can check your assignment score from the progress tab from the NPTEL website. From this I button, you can watch this video for how to check assignment score. If you have any query related to the NPTEL exam, then you can comment down below. If this video is helpful, then like the video and do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.